It's your boy, C Money.
Oh my god.
That's all I got. That's all I got. It's my dice throw dance move.
We don't know what that is. The Fred Harvey restaurant.
It was established in 1968.
I'm pretty sure like we didn't park on the right side.
Huh?
We're just going to look at. Oh, there's the depot.
Jesus.
Is it good?
It's your boy. See Money coming at you from Williams.
You say I'm trying to be the influencer? This is the Grand Canyon Railway and Hotel. This is so cute.
Let's sit down, babe. Let's sit down for a second. Let's just sit here and just soak in the Williams life.
Okay. Oh my gosh, this is so cute.
Be careful. During the winter, it's an icy surface. You're supposed to get that on video. What?
You're ruining like everything. What is this? Cute little sitting area. Oh my god.